Hi friends, it's Lisa coming back at you with another video. This is a freebie video of my daily goodie box for the month of January 2021. Before I open it, I haven't even cut the tape yet. I just want to tell you, YouTube is a hard-ass business. If I am teaching you something in any of my videos, could you please give me a like, a comment, and hopefully a subscribe? I was at 501 subscribers and then I lost a couple, and that's okay. That happens with YouTube. You gain subscribers, you lose subscribers. It happens every day. You kind of have to have a thick skin to that. But my goal is to increase my subscriber base because that keeps me going to make these types of videos. And if you are watching and not subscribed, it just takes 1 second to hit that little red button, and it really supports my channel and it helps me, continue on what I'm doing because it does take time. So that's my shameless plug to gain a couple of more subscribers. I would love to have you on board, especially if you like to see unboxing videos. I do quilting, crafts, freebies. Those are my main categories. And this is the freebie for January 2021 of the Daily Goodie Box. And I will tell you how you can hopefully get a goodie box too. So I'm just gonna pop it open. I have not looked at anything, so I'm gonna be just as surprised as you are. It says, you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. They want me to log into my account and then do a review, which I'm very happy to do that because they do send me everything for free, and I'm grateful for that. So it always comes. This is my second one I'm doing, by the way. I did an unboxing in December. So it's my second one. Beautiful, nice packaging. And let's see what's on top. So, gotta like it. It's coffee. This is pour over coffee. One of my first YouTube videos I did when I first started my channel was with pour over coffee samples. So I know how to do this now. Back when I did the video, it was a little embarrassing. I didn't know what I was doing. But here are 2 samples, and these are great for a quick cup of coffee when you don't want to brew a whole pot. So these are single serve. They're by Kuju Coffee, medium roast. It says oat chocolate honey. I don't know if that's all in here, oat chocolate honey, but I am really psyched to try this out. And then the second sample is a rowdy bar, and it's peanutty dark chocolate. The best combination in the world to me, Lisa, is peanut butter and chocolate. So this has 10 grams of fiber, 13 grams of protein, yummy, and only 3 grams of sugar. So I'm sure this is gonna taste, well, I hope it's gonna taste really good. So, keeping with the food, they sent me some crackers, white cheddar, black pepper. It's by Moon Cheese. It's crunchy bites of savory fun. 1 ounce is 180 calories, which is kind of a lot, but if you're looking for a snack, snacks have calories. So, and it's only 1 ounce, and it's high in fat, actually. 18% fat, total fat, 45% of your natural, scrap it. This has fat in it, 9 grams of fat. So I will probably give this to my sons, because I'm trying to avoid that. Okay, now this is sweet. This is really nice. It's bath salts. Love, sweet love hibiscus. It's all natural green goo. So I've recently just started revisiting baths again, just taking some me time, and they are so freaking relaxing. So I am gonna try this. This is a mineral bath salt. Wow, I am psyched. And to get this full size one, this is dynamite, love it. Then we got a South of France hydrating hand and body cream. I'm shaking a little bit there. It's in Violet Bouquet. Let's see. Nice. Smells like violets, I guess. Has shea butter and cocoa butter. Very nice. Then they put in a Manuka honey nasal spray. You stick this up your schnoz, and if you have a stuffed up nose, it's supposed to help you breathe easily. Cleans and moisturizes nasal passages. No artificial preservatives, no artificial dyes or flavor, alcohol-free, non-GMO. It looks like it's made in New Zealand. So yeah, I mean, who likes a stuffed up nose? I mean, I've been fortunate lately. I haven't been sick or even had a cold, so I'll keep this handy. I'm not gonna test this on camera though. Okay, and then the last thing that I see in here is some tea. It's Moringa Organic Superfood Tea. It's USDA Organic Miracle Tree Tea. I've never heard of it, but there's 25 tea bags in here, caffeine free, and you know, it has all these good antioxidants in here. At least that's the claim. I don't know. I've never tried it, so that's what it has. I just hope it tastes good. I'm drinking tea right now. This is just regular Lipton, but it's a Miracle Tree is an award-winning family-owned superfood brand. We first started with a focus on Moringa, one of the world's most nutrient-dense superfoods. Moringa has been used worldwide to combat malnutrition. Wow, who knew? It is nutritionally complex food, naturally rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids. So it has vitamin A, C, calcium, and potassium. Willing to give it a try. I mean, I drink at least 2 to 3 cups a day of tea in addition to my 2 to 3 cups of coffee. So, pretty cool. And here's just a product card on it. So that is it for the January daily goodie box. I think it's fabulous, and I'm so appreciative of them sending me the box. I'm going to tell you how to get one too. Go to their Facebook page, which I'm linking down below, and almost on a daily basis, they'll have posts where they just want you to comment. They claim to give away like 50 to up to, I think, 500 or 100 daily goodie boxes either a day or a week, or it just depends on the post. I know that sounds like a little obscure, but that's what they claim on their Facebook page. I got lucky when I got my first goodie box. I did a review on camera, and I went and I did a little review on, they have a website where you're supposed to review each product, and then they sent me another one. So I will continue doing that, because as long as they send me free products to review, I'm happy to go online and do a review there. And even this review I'm doing online is all optional. I'm just bringing it to you guys to introduce you to it. So let me know what you think of the box. I'd love if you give me a thumbs up and a like, and of course subscribe to the channel. It really helps my channel to grow and get noticed, and I really do appreciate it. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.